Hi y'all, it's Melanie here and I am making Hawaiian fried rice today. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. So you first need some steamed rice. Remember to flake your rice up using chopsticks. So try to keep the rice grain from breaking as much as you can. I'm using about 2 cups today. You can use turkey ham or turkey sausage. I am using turkey sausage today. I'm also going to use about half an onion. This is a leftover onions and a few cloves of garlic. Go ahead and mince my garlic and dice up my onion. Set it aside. And also going to cube these up or chunk these up in little bite size that probably will last a little longer. Get me about 1 wedge of pineapple, fresh pineapple. Use 1 wedge of pineapple. Some pineapples, some went into my mouth. And don't forget some green onions, kind of garnish. So I'm gonna use about 3 eggs. And I'm going to crank this heat up high in a large wok or a frying pan or something. Just add me about a couple of tablespoons of oil and pop my rice in there. Get it going for a few minutes and let the rice kind of warm up and coat it with the oil and a pinch of salt. And about a half a teaspoon of sugar and about 1 teaspoon of chicken powder and a tablespoon of garlic powder. Give it a stir there and then set it aside. A little oil to kind of sweat my garlic. Throw my garlic in there, get it around for a little bit and set that aside. Next, I'm going to go ahead and sweat my onion also. Let it sit there for a couple of minutes to release the aroma and get that little caramelized going. If your rice has been sitting there for a while, you know, kick them around a little bit, or you can remove them to the side, you know, out on the plate or something, and then put them back later. Next, go in the pineapple and the turkey sausage. I'm using turkey sausage because it's a little bit better than ham, and usually it's less salty. And usually we do low sodium. We can find some low sodium, you know, whatever, low sodium, low fat, whatever. But kick them around for a little bit and then mingle and tingle and, you know, mix it all up. It's one pot. Next, we're going to pop these eggs in. I'm using 3 today. So 1, count with me, 2, you can stop there or you can start with 1. That's why we love eggs. So give it a quick stir around, kind of get that scrambled egg effect going. You know, add more oil if you want. I got a pretty nice wok here that doesn't really need a lot of oil. Scrape it around. It doesn't have much oil. I feel very guilty, you know, when I put in a lot of oil already. So you're welcome to do you, okay? So kind of mix it all up. Don't let the egg too burnt. Trying to keep the nice color there with the yellow pineapple and the yellow eggs and kind of pinkish sausage, white rice. It's pretty much done. You can taste it if you want, but I think that's good for me. And add in your chopped onions, or cut onions in there if you're lazy like me. Snip them in there. Some green color. And off heat. You just need to stir it up for a couple of time, like a minute, and the onion should be sort of, you know, not really done cooked, kind of cooked halfway. That's how I like it, and my family likes it that way. So if you need to cook longer, cook longer. But that is it. It's how simple that is. Fried rice is so easy to make and eat, and I made vegan fried rice, vegetarian fried rice, fresh lobster fried rice, fresh scallop fried rice, you name it, all kinds of fried rice. So check them out. I have a playlist for you. It's all about fried rice. I hope you enjoy this Hawaiian fried rice recipe. Share with someone and hit that thumbs up. Let me know. And don't forget to subscribe for future weekly Vietnamese Asian home cook, gardening, and more. Have a great day and bye-bye.